Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Forum and you are watching FMA makeup tutorials. I am here to show you the brand new look which Deepika Padukone had carried for the Filmfare Middle East function in Dubai, and this is my take for this look. And this is a beautiful bold black eyes without smudging anything, and a very subtle nude lip with a beautiful blush and highlight going on, glowing face as Deepika's face is always glowing with this pretty looking eyes and lips. If you want to know how did I achieve this look, please keep on watching. So without further ado, let's get started. So here we are, and we will begin with our eyes first as it's a black eyes. So for this look, I am not going to prime my eyes. I am going to directly start applying the Maybelline gel liner on the entire eyelid roughly first, and then we will shape it. Alright, now it's the shaping time, and we'll have to be very careful as we're working with black and we don't want any mishaps here. So I'll be starting to line my inner corner first and then the lower lash line, and then we'll extend the outside corner and then we'll go above the eye. That's how my strategy for this eye makeup is. So light-handedly I am getting out the wing, trying to line it as light as possible, so if there is any correction we can just do it. So in her eye makeup I see a curvature over here. It's a curved liner, it's not a straight line. So we'll be trying to follow that. So here I have the Black Fever eye pencil from Essence, and I'm going to line my lower lash line on the waterline. So now I'll be using the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and I'm going to use the shade black in this palette to set the entire eyeshadow on its place. This step helps to just set the entire gel liner on its place and it doesn't move and crease. Also, the lower lash line I will be applying the shadow on. So if you have any corrections, I have a very quick and simple trick for you. By taking the makeup remover on the tip of the Q-tip, you just glide it wherever your mistakes are to achieve a simple, flawless and amazing eyeshadow. So I'll be showing you, I have a small dent here, so I want to clear that up and I want to make this edge a little sharper. So I've completed my eyes, and now we are going to go to the eyebrows, and for the eyebrows I am going to use the darkest brown shade right here in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and now we'll be starting to draw the borderline of the eyebrows and then fill it. Deepika had got a very thick eyebrow, so we are just going to go a little bit overboard today, and let's see how it works out. I am using the MAC Hot n Naughty mascara. I am just going to remove all the excess fallout which we've got, and I'm using Rakel from Huda Beauty. I'm going to use the Smashbox Primerizer primer to prime my face. So once the primer is set on my face, I am going to color correct using the color corrector from the LA Girl Cosmetics Pro Concealer in the shade of orange. I'm going to apply it right below my eyes, around my mouth, and now setting everything in its place with a brush. Now by using the MAC's Prolong Concealer, I am going to conceal all the places where I've applied my color corrector. So now I'll be contouring, and I'm using the shade Earth from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And now MAC Mineralize NC37 foundation with just a drop of a face oil to add some extra shine goes on the entire face, and a little bit of MAC Studio Fix goes right under my eyes just to set everything there in its place. Also, I will bake my under eyes, and I'll be cutting my cheeks as well. So for bronzing, I'm going to use the Hoola from Benefit, and I'm just going to bronze my face a little. And the shade Dallas will go right on the hollows of my cheek to build up my contour a little bit more. And now it's time to dust off all this powder on the face. face. So to line my lips, I'm going to use the Rosewood shade from Essence, and there I go. And for the highlighting, I am going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow palette. I'm going to use the shade Snow and mix it a little bit with the white sand. So just to fix the entire makeup in its place, I am going to finish up with a beautiful setting spray. So this is my final look, and this was my take on Deepika's launch of Filmfare Middle East. I hope that you like it. If you like, do not forget to hit the like button and comment in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to hit this button and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Do not forget to check out my other videos by clicking the links here. That's it, guys. I'll see you in my next one.